To become a registered MFD in India, you need to take an exam called the NISM VA, which stands for the National Institute of Securities Markets Mutual Fund Distributors exam. The National Institute of Securities Markets is an educational and certifying body set up by SEBI, India's main securities market regulator. The NISM VA is one of the many examinations offered by NISM. It is specifically designed for individuals who want to become registered MFDs in India. The objective of the exam is to ensure that mutual fund distributors have the necessary knowledge and skills to advise and sell mutual fund products responsibly. The exam covers various aspects of mutual funds, including how to evaluate various mutual fund schemes, understanding the taxation aspects, the operational aspects of executing mutual fund investments, and the basics of holistic financial planning. If you are wondering how to apply for the exam, here is the step-by-step process. There's also a simple way to make the whole process smooth. Just register with Wealthy by clicking on the link in the description to get NISM training and all the support needed to crack the exam. And to do it via the NISM website, first visit the website and navigate to the NISM Certification exam section. Then create an account and sign up by filling in the basic details and verifying your email. There, select the NISM VA Mutual Fund Distributors exam from the list of available certifications. Pay the exam fee online and book your exam slot by selecting a date and center that suits you. Once you've completed these steps, you'll get your admit card and you're all set to appear for the exam. Now that you're registered, there are some useful tips to help you prepare for the exam. The exam covers topics like mutual fund basics, types of funds, risk, taxation, NAV, and more. The NISM website provides a detailed syllabus, so start there. Study the NISM VA handbook available on the NISM website. Take practice tests, which will help you get familiar with the exam format and identify areas where you need improvement. Here are a few sample questions to give you an idea of what to expect in the NISM VA exam. Review regulations and ethics, as this exam also tests your understanding of SEBI guidelines, regulatory bodies, and the ethical responsibilities of a distributor. Make sure to go through these carefully. Remember, the questions will test your practical understanding of mutual funds, so make sure you're comfortable with the key concepts. The exam is of 100 marks, 100 questions, and you've got 2 hours to finish, with the format being based on multiple choice questions. There is no negative marking and you need at least 50% to pass. Once you pass the NISM VA exam, you're one step closer to becoming a mutual fund distributor.